Well, in order to clean up oscilloscope, we need to carefully unplug the patch cables, and then we're going to gently wrap one twist and one twist of the fingers and one loop. Keeps it nice and clean. And we should have another set of patch cords right here, and we're going to put all of these into the drawer. Don't know if you can see my hands now, but they're going into the drawer with other patch cables. The HP function generator gets unplugged, and that goes underneath in the cabinet. And this guy, we pull these out gently and carefully, not too much force, and rotate. Okay, and then we want to wind the cord up. As such, now we're ready to put these into the cabinet. So we'll open up the cabinet. There we go. There's the oscilloscope. And here's the HP function generator. Right there. Happy days. That's Oscope cleaned up.